everybody, I'm here today to show you how to park a car uphill. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of parking a vehicle on an uphill slope. As you can see right over here, there's actually an uphill slope, and I'm going to just be parking over there and showing you the process for parking a car uphill. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So once again, let's say you're driving and you want to park uphill. So I'm going to put the car in drive, and I'm literally going to pull over to park just a few feet up ahead. So let's say you're driving and you want to park uphill. You're going to pull to the side of the road, as close to the side as you can. If there's a curb, try and get close to the curb. If there is not a curb, then obviously just pull as close to the side of the road as you can. Now, obviously you want to put your signal on. You want to check your mirrors, check your blind spots. Make sure that you do all of the right safety precautions for actually parking your car on an uphill, for actually parking your car. Now, what you want to do is you want to look for, and I'm just going to turn this signal off just to sort of get rid of that noise for the video. You want to look for whether or not there is a curb. And if there is a curb and if there's not a curb, that's going to cause you to do two different things. So let me explain this. If there is a curb, okay, you're going to take your steering wheel and you're going to turn it away from the curb. So for instance, there's a curb on the right-hand side of this road. So I'm going to take my steering wheel, and I'm at a complete stop, by the way. I'm going to take my steering wheel, I'm going to turn it to the left because the curb is on my right, so I'm turning it to the left, okay? So the wheel gets turned to the left all the way until full lock, just like that. So because there's a curb, I'm turning the front wheels of my car away from the curb. And I'll tell you why. Let's say in a situation where where my parking assembly fails and my car starts to roll, my front wheels are turned away from the curb, so therefore they're turned to the left like this. As my car rolls back, because I'm on an uphill slope, the front wheels are going to catch the curb, and it's going to prevent the car from actually rolling away. Now, some people at this point like to put the car in neutral and actually let the wheels lock onto the curb before they park the car. Other people like to just put it in park. Now, you're going to have to do whatever makes the most sense for you and whatever you've been taught, okay? I can't explain which one to do simply because some people do it where they turn the wheels away from the curb and then they let the wheels actually catch the curb, and then they put it in park, or they put it in gear and pull the e-brake. If it's a manual car, they actually park the car, or some people just put it in park at this point. Now, what I will do is I will demonstrate right now that at this point, if I turn the wheels away from the curb and I put it in neutral and I let the car roll back, the front wheels have just caught the curb. So I'm not even holding my brake. My car is in neutral, not touching the brake pedal, and my car's not rolling away because the front wheels actually caught the curb. They caught the curb to the side over there. Very simple, okay? Now, I'm just gonna move forward a little bit. Okay, so right now, once again, I'm just pulled over beside the curb. If there was not a curb, if there was no curb, then you're actually going to take your steering wheel and you're gonna turn it towards the side of the road. So let's say there was no curb on the right side of the road, and I'm pulled over on the right. I would steer towards the side of the road. And that's because, like I said, if something fails that causes my car to sort of roll backwards because I'm on an uphill slope, the back of my car, I'm going to roll off of the road. I'm not going to roll into traffic because I have steered towards the side of the road. I'm going to end up rolling back because I'm on an uphill slope towards the side of the road, off of the road, away from traffic. And then once again, once you're ready to actually park the car, if you drive an automatic car, you're going to put it in park and pull the parking brake, pull the emergency brake. If you're driving a manual car, you're obviously going to leave it in gear and make sure that you pull the emergency brake before you shut the car off. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to park a car uphill. It's a very simple driving lesson. I've told you how to turn the steering wheel in which direction, and I've also told you why you're turning the steering wheel in each direction, and I've also demonstrated the options for either letting the car roll back to catch the curb or just not letting it roll back at all and just putting it in park. And that's basically it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.